A customer is concerned about security. They want to know which security option available during CallPilot Manager sessions will provide the highest level of security. You explain that Security Sockets Layer (SSL) is used. Which SSL option will provide the highest level of security? Option A. Never. Option B. Login only. Option C. For the entire session. Option D. Only for login and password changes. The correct answer is option C. A customer wants to know the total number of mailboxes selected for data migration from a Meridian mail system to the CallPilot server. Which key should you select to obtain this information? Option A. The All Option soft key. Option B. The Mailbox Option soft key. Option C. The Show Summary soft key. Option D. The Write Selected Messages soft key. The correct answer is option C. A customer is concerned about security. They want to know what security is used when my CallPilot sessions are initiated to prevent unauthorized access. Which specific setting should be used? Option A. Enable CRAM MD5. Option B. Enable SSL checkbox is checked. Option C. Remember password checkbox is checked. Option D. Disable Remember Password from my CallPilot Administrator tool. The correct answer is option D. For improved security, installation of latest antivirus applications is required. Which antivirus application is applicable to CallPilot? Image. Option A. Average Antivirus. Option B. Sophos Antivirus. Option C. Trend Micro Antivirus. Option D. Any antivirus application officially approved by Nortel. The correct answer is option D.